Open the medullary cavity using the Affinis intramedullary guide at the highest point of the humeral head. Leave the guide rod in place. Assemble the Affinis inverse holder K-wire guide and the cantilever K-wire guide with the Affinis alignment rod. Place the holder on the intramedullary guide rod. Adjust the desired retrotorsion by aligning the alignment rod or the Kirschner wire to the forearm. Insert the Kirschner wire into the cantilever. By adjusting the height of the holder, the entry point can be adapted. Insert the Kirschner wire until it contacts the opposite subcortex. The superior hole should be used for a humeral resection, with the neck shaft angle of 155 degrees. Remove all instruments, but keep the Kirschner wire in place. Slide the reamer flat over the Kirschner wire. Ream the bone flat to the desired depth. Remove the reamer and keep the Kirschner wire in place. Once the surface is prepared, select the core drill with the desired drill depth, 8 mm or 14 mm. Check that the proximal humerus suits the volume of the desired core drill. Advance the drill until the stop touches the flat surface of the bone. Remove the core drill and the Kirschner wire. After the bone has been prepared, insert the holder graft cutting block corresponding to the drill depth and slide the graft cutting block over the sliding post. Insert two 3.2 mm pins. Resect the humeral head utilizing the upper surface of the cutting block as guidance. As needed, use the graft removal tool to remove the bone graft from the holder. The insert and the holder of the cutting guide have two side angles for the desired bone graft angle, 7.5 degrees and 15 degrees preparation. Prior to the assembly, make sure that the desired angle indicated on the instruments face the bone graft. Place the cylindrical bone graft into the cutting guide and make sure it seats in the performed shape of the insert. Use the holder to lock the graft towards the insert. Cut the cylinder by using the saw. The two slots of the graft cutting guide allow to vary the graft thickness between 8 mm or 14 mm. If a bone graft is required, position the graft over the central peg prior to implantation. For implantation of the Affinis inverse Metagione CP, use the adapter impactor Metagione CP.